Welcome to Speak Up English Academy. If you want to use English in your conversation, then this video can be very useful for you. Watch the full video for practice. Hello friends, my name is Misha. Today our topic is benefits of morning walk. A morning walk can have many positive effects on our health and well-being. Whether you are young or old, fit or just starting to exercise, incorporating a morning walk into your daily routine can provide numerous benefits. In this video, we will explore these benefits in detail. Number 1, physical health benefits. First, improves cardiovascular health. Walking is a great way to keep your heart healthy. Regular morning walks help in improving blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases, and controlling blood pressure. Walking for about 30 minutes each day can strengthen your heart muscles and improve overall cardiovascular health. Second, aids weight loss. Walking is an effective and simple exercise for losing weight. It helps burn calories and can be a great addition to a weight loss program. Combining a healthy diet with the regular morning walk can lead to noticeable weight loss over time. Third, strengthens muscles and bones. Walking helps in strengthening the muscles, especially those in the legs and abdomen. It also improves bone density, which can help in preventing osteoporosis and fractures. Regular walking keeps your bones healthy and strong. Fourth, boosts immune system. Engaging in regular physical activity like walking can boost your immune system. This means your body will be better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses. A morning walk in fresh air exposes you to sunlight, which increases vitamin D production, further enhancing your immune system. Fifth, improves digestion. A morning walk can improve your digestion by helping the body process food more efficiently. It stimulates the digestive tract and helps in relieving problems like constipation. Number 2, mental health benefits. First, reduces stress and anxiety. Walking is known to have a calming effect on the mind. It reduces stress and anxiety levels by releasing endorphins, which are the body's natural stress relievers. A morning walk in a natural setting can be particularly soothing. Second, enhances mood. Regular walking can improve your mood and overall emotional well being. It helps in the releases of serotonin, a hormone that contributes to feeling of happiness and relaxation. Starting your day with a walk can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Third, improves sleep quality. People who walk regularly often report better sleep patterns. A morning walk can help regulate your body's natural sleep awake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Fourth, boosts brain function. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, which can help improve cognitive function and memory. Regular physical activity is linked to a lower risk of developing cognitive decline and conditions like dementia. Number 3, social benefits. First, opportunities for social interaction. Walking can be a social activity if done with friends, family, or in walking groups. It provides an opportunity to interact with others, which can improve your social life and reduce feelings of loneliness. Second, strengthen relationships. Walking with a partner can strengthen your relationship by giving you time to talk and connect. It can be a shared activity that both of you look forward to each day. Number 4, environmental benefits. First, reduces carbon footprint. Walking instead of driving for short distances can help reduce your carbon footprint. It is an eco friendly mode of transportation that helps in reducing pollution and conserving natural resources. Second, increases appreciation for nature. A morning walk in a park or natural setting can increase your appreciation for the environment. It allows you to experience the beauty of nature, which can inspire a greater commitment to protecting it. Number 5, practical tips for a successful morning walk. First, wear comfortable shoes. Invest in a good pair of walking shoes that provide support and comfort. This will make your walk more enjoyable and prevent injuries. Second, dress appropriately. Wear weather appropriate clothing. Layer up in colder weather and choose breathable fabric for warmer days. Third, stay hydrated. Drink water before and after your walk to stay hydrated. Carry a small water bottle if you plan on walking for a longer duration. Fourth, warm up and cool down. Start your walk with a gentle warm up to prepare your muscles and end with a cool down to relax them. This can prevent stiffness and injury. Fifth, set a routine. Try to walk at the same time each morning to establish a routine. This makes it easier to stick to your walking habit. Sixth, listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during your walk. If you experience any pain or discomfort, slow down or take a break. In conclusion, a morning walk is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your physical, mental, and social well being. It requires no special equipment or training and can be done almost anywhere. By making a morning walk a regular part of your daily routine, you can enjoy numerous health benefits and improve your quality of life. So, lace up your walking shoes and start your day with a refreshing walk. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and until next time, goodbye.